Hey everyone, how's it going? Azren the Language Nerd here. I hope you are doing very, very well. Welcome to another episode of Super Easy English. In today's video, we are going to talk about some more phrasal verbs. This is the third video that I have made about phrasal verbs. If you have not seen the other ones, I will put some links in the description below, and I'll put a link on the screen as well. With that aside, let's start. One very common phrasal verb in English is chicken out. Chicken out basically means that you want to do something, but you don't do it because you feel too scared. For example, let's pretend I like a girl. I want to tell the girl that I like her. I want to tell her, hey, I like you. Do you want to be my girlfriend? But I'm too scared. So I don't tell her that I like her. This is an example of chickening out. I can say, oh, I chickened out and I didn't tell her that I like her. Another phrasal verb that is very common is cut back on something. So if you cut back on something, it means that you do less of that activity. So I'll give you some examples. I can say, I want to cut back on sugar. This means that I want to eat less sugar. Another example could be, I want to cut back on smoking. This means that you smoke. Do you smoke this way? No, you smoke this way. This means you smoke. And if you want to cut back on your smoking, it means that you want to smoke less. Another common phrasal verb in English is doze off. Doze off means that you went to sleep, but by mistake and for a short period of time. Let me give you an example. There have been many times where I am on the train and I'm sitting there, and I suddenly feel a little bit tired. And so I might fall asleep by accident for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes while I am on the train. This is a perfect example of dozing off. I can say, I was on the train and I dozed off for 20 minutes. And then I missed my stop. Another phrasal verb we have in English is drop out. Usually when we use the phrasal verb drop out, we use it with school, because drop out means that you stopped going to school. For example, if I go to university and I go to university only for 1 year, I don't finish my university program. I don't finish my university degree. I could say, I dropped out of university after 1 year. This means that I went to university for 1 year and then I stopped. You can drop out of university, you can drop out of college, you can drop out of high school. I don't know if dropping out of high school is very good. I'm not sure about that one. But there are people who have dropped out of high school. So that is basically what drop out means. Well, everyone, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your attention. If you have any questions about phrasal verbs or any questions about English at all, please write them in the comments below and I will answer them for you. Thanks again for watching and we will talk next time. Bye for now. See you. This is one of my Chinese assignments. Now that I have finished the assignment, I'm going to hand the assignment in. In other words, I will take this assignment and I will give it to the teacher.